What up, y'all? Right now we checking out Vince Get Out. Now I'm wondering, like, if y'all be like, who's Vince? Girl, let me educate you a little bit. He's definitely written for your faves. He's written for G-Dragon, Blackpink, Taeyong, and so on. He has songs called 맨날. Emergencies with Zion T, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, Zion T. Pull up on the block when you're calling. To me, they pretty fire, and I know a lot of my audience do like that. But now he came out with Vince Get Out. Okay, what we getting out from? First of all, we talking about the movie, or we just talking about like let's get outside because everybody inside? Let's get it. Let's go. Play my intro. All right, Vince, get out. Show me what you got. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Whoa, what is this shot? Oh. I feel like I respect him because he knows he has like a good head. You know, like the shape of the head. You know what I'm talking about? And he always keep that like low fade. Okay, the lineup is clean too. Oh. What the hell? And still. Why can't you get over someone like him? I don't know. Okay, outfit. Digitalization? Is that what you just said? I can't read. Stay in school, kids. Digitization. Okay, I knew it. Damn it. Moving on. Ooh. He on the moon? He in space? Oh, she an artiste, huh? It's the perfect time. Sometimes you need to go out and touch grass a little bit. Okay, pop off. Oh. You living in a washer? Is that what my Tide Pods are doing when I And she okay with this? She okay? She accepted her life that she's living in a washer with Vince. I would have freaked the F out. I'm not gonna lie. Oh no. Ooh. It's so groovy with it though. Just makes me want to like get up and dance. Oh, it's on. I kind of like that setup where he's in like the shiny jacket. With the lights just hit. It kind of reminds me of like Rock With You vibes. MJ vibes. Ooh. That's a nice ass car too. I didn't even say that. Oh, okay, electric. Oh, she looking back at it? Okay. Oh, they're digitized. Damn. Can't even talk right now. Ooh. Oh, he even got the like the MJ socks too. Ooh. Okay. Let's go production. Hey. Oh, we playing. Oh, we done. End of the map. Oh, you can't even go swimming? All those heels and clothes you've been saving up? Yeah. Take them out for me, baby. Okay. What we doing tonight? Oh, okay. Vince PlayStation controller with a beat. What the hell? Oh, we got like a Super Nintendo one as well. Ooh, okay. Hey. I don't even know who this girl is. I never even looked her up. I should have. She's so gorgeous. She's so pretty. Get out, get up. Ah. It's that type of groove though. Just get up and dance, type of like body roll, just have fun. I guess this is my sign to get out of the house and just do something, right? I'll probably just go to the gym. Anyways, Vince, the Black Label, Get Out. Go check it out. Link in the description. Leave in the comments down below what you guys think of Vince Get Out. Go support him. And yeah. Alright, y'all. Keep on dreaming, dreamers. Dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.